Hi and welcome to Carlisle Audi. Today I'm going to be walking you around this Audi approved used A1 Sportback Sport that we do have in stock, which does come finished in Python yellow and does come fitted with the 1 litre petrol engine giving off 110 PS. Since this is an approved used vehicle, it does include a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. So if you'd like any more information, please give us a call on 01228 371 516. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, it does come fitted with the LED front headlights, which do use an amazing LED technology to ensure that you do have maximum visibility on any journeys. It sits on these lovely 10-spoke turbine design alloy wheels, which really complement the whole exterior look of this vehicle very nicely, alongside the matching body coloured door mirrors and the black contrast roof, really adding to the overall sporty look of this vehicle. Inside the rear you do have a nice amount of legroom for your passengers considering this is a smaller vehicle, whilst you do have the very comfortable Novum cloth upholstery, which does include the Isofix child seat mounting points, just in case you do need to think about having any child seats in the back of this vehicle. You do have the rear parking sensors, which are perfect for helping you squeeze into any of those tighter spaces on any journeys, just helping to make you that little bit more aware of your surroundings. Whilst this vehicle does include a nice amount of boot space in the back, again considering this is a smaller Audi, and it's perfect for storing any personal belongings or day-to-day items, or even any slightly larger items such as luggage. The tailgate does manually open and close, and as you can see, this is an all-around outstanding looking vehicle. Moving on to the front interior of this A1, it does come with some amazing specification. Inside you do have the 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel, whilst you do also have the same very comfortable Novum cloth upholstery finished on the front sport seats, making a comfortable journey no matter where you're seated in this vehicle. Now that I have given you a 360 tour, I am going to go ahead and show you some of the interior features in much more detail, as it does include some amazing specification. Starting off at the steering wheel, you do have a range of multifunctional controls. To the left hand side you do have all of your menu controls, and to the right hand side all of your volume and audio. Whilst this vehicle does include cruise control, which is located to the back of the steering wheel and is perfect for those longer journeys or motorway drives. You do have the 10.25-inch digital display, which does allow you to access a whole range of different features on any journeys, including all of your DAB digital radio channels and any driver data that you may need to view on the go. In the centre console you do have the full touchscreen Audi multimedia interface display, which does allow you to access a whole range of different features. I can confirm that the screen doesn't flash, it is just due to the refresh rate on the camera. You do have Audi Drive Select, allowing you to change to your preferred driving mode alongside all of your driving data. You do have both your telephone and media settings, allowing you to connect to the vehicle's Bluetooth interface, to make any hands-free phone calls or play any of your own music. Whilst you can also connect to the vehicle's Audi smartphone interface, allowing you to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and I will insert a video link showing you how to set this up, as it's very easy to do so. You do also have all of your DAB digital radio channels in there as well. Below this you do have the manual air conditioning system, allowing you to set a very comfortable airflow throughout the whole vehicle for both you and your passengers. Whilst you do also have the 6-speed manual gearbox, which is then followed by the manual parking brake. This vehicle is part of the Audi approved use programme, which includes a minimum of 12 months warranty, along with flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give us a call on 01228 371 516. Thank you for watching.